We have a perfect example of the various stages of snow, ice, and a true ice dam on this roof here. Hi, I'm John with Equity Builders Roofing. We're gonna walk you through what's going on. We came out yesterday, cleared a bunch of snow off because water was pouring into the roof. The actual walls sits right about here below this roof line. This is the ice dam. The water will sit right here with snow on top of it and pool in this area and continue to seep behind the shingles and leak into the actual soffit, the wall, any windows or doors that are in that wall, and the room itself will actually have leaking in it. So what we've done is we've cleared as much snow as possible, and then the next thing we did was we created a channel so all the water that would sit in this band actually has room to run off the roof and doesn't just stay stagnant. But you can already see this is almost flat where it's frozen back, and instead of this roof being pitched, it's caused this to really stand up and almost be flat as the water froze backwards into this. So again, we've created a channel, water can flow, but to get a better look at it here, this is a close look at the actual snow itself. If we clear a little bit of this off, we start going back up right here, and this is that curvature. You can actually see the ice wall right here. This is where, as today's sun bakes on this snow and melts, water is just gonna sit behind this ice wall and wanna seep backwards into the shingles. If you're experiencing leaking from snow and ice on your roof, we know how to handle this and we wanna help you out. To set up your complimentary inspection, call us, text us, or visit our website at equitybuildersroofing.com.